Assalamu alaikum. I am Nusrat Rahman Noishi. The last four digit of my ID is 1090. Today my presentation topic is process synchronization. What is process synchronization? Process synchronization ensures that multiple processes can run at the same time without interfering with each other, especially when they share resources. Why is it needed? Helps prevent race condition and maintain data consistency. Second, avoid issues like deadlock and starvation. Third, ensure secure and efficiency of resources. Producer consumer problem. What is producer consumer problem? A synchronization issue involving a producer that creates data and a consumer that uses it, with both accessing a shared buffer of limited size. Challenges: buffer overflow occurs when the producer attempts to insert data into a buffer that's already full. Second, buffer underflow happens when the consumer tries to retrieve data from an empty buffer. Common synchronization problems. First, race condition. Race condition arises when in multiple processes access shared data at the same time, causing inconsistent or unexpected outcomes. Second, deadlock. A situation where processes are stuck waiting for each other's resources indefinitely, halting progress is called deadlock. Starvation. Starvation occurs when a process is continuously denied access to resources because other processes are prioritized. Critical section problem. Critical section problem involves making sure that only one process enters a critical section at a time to avoid resource conflicts. Bounded buffer problem definition. What is bounded buffer problem? A synchronization challenge involving a fixed size buffer shared by producer that inserts item and consumer that removes them. Challenges: buffer overflow occurs when the producer inserts item into a full buffer. Second, buffer underflow happens when the consumer attempts to remove items from an empty buffer. What are the solutions? Use a mutex to ensure mutual exclusion. Employ semaphores to monitor available and occupied slots. Maintenance from coordination between producer and consumer to avoid conflict. Mutex semaphore. What is mutex? A binary log that allows only one process to access a critical section at a time. Process must log before entering and unlog after existing. Used for exclusive access. Semaphore. A counter-based synchronization mechanism it can be binary. Process synchronization enables concurrent processes to access shared resource safely and efficiently. It helps eliminate problems such as race condition, deadlocks, and starvation. Mechanisms like mutexes and semaphores are used to control resource access. Thank you. That's all about me.